If you're considering Buffer Analyze, there are a few key things you need to know before you make a decision, and we'll compare it to competitors so you know if it's truly worth your time and money. Stick around, because you might discover a better option by the end. The first thing to consider is pricing. Buffer Analyze offers a tiered plan structure, but it quickly gets expensive for larger teams. Competitors like Hootsuite and Sprout Social may have higher base costs, but often bundle analytics with broader management features, potentially offering more value for larger operations. Next thing, feature depth. Buffer Analyze focuses on providing clean and accessible reports, but it lacks the customization that tools like Sprout Social or Zoho Social offer. If you need advanced reporting tailored to specific KPIs, you might find Buffer Analyze limiting. The third thing is ease of use. One area where Buffer shines is its user-friendly design. The interface is intuitive and great for beginners. However, for seasoned marketers needing granular control or multi-layered analysis, competitors like AgriPulse might be a better fit. Fourth, platform integrations. Buffer Analyze supports major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, but it doesn't cover TikTok or LinkedIn as comprehensively as tools like Hootsuite. If you're targeting these networks heavily, that could be a deal breaker. Next, real-time data. Buffer Analyze updates metrics frequently, but not as fast as rivals like Sprinkler. This could matter if you're managing fast-paced campaigns that need real-time adjustments. The sixth thing is customer support. Buffer offers email support, but it's not 24/7. Many competitors, like Sprout Social, provide live chat or phone support, which can be a lifesaver in urgent situations. Seventh, learning curve. Buffer Analyze is simple to pick up, but this simplicity comes at the cost of advanced features. If you're new to analytics, it's great. But if you've used tools like Google Analytics or Tableau, you might feel restricted. Eighth, data exporting. While Buffer lets you export data, the options are limited compared to tools like Social Bakers. For teams needing detailed, presentation-ready exports, this could be a hassle. Next thing, team collaboration. While Buffer Analyze allows basic team access, it's not as robust as Hootsuite's shared workflows or Sprinkler's collaborative dashboards. This makes it less ideal for large teams. 10th, additional tools. Unlike some competitors, Buffer separates its scheduling and analytics into different plans. If you want an all-in-one solution, tools like Later or Zoho Social might be more cost-effective. 11th, updates and innovations. Buffer is solid, but doesn't innovate as quickly as its competitors. New features are introduced slowly, which might put you at a disadvantage if you're looking for cutting-edge tools. Finally, overall value. Buffer Analyze is a decent choice for small to medium-sized teams needing a straightforward solution. But if you want a tool with broader features, faster support, and better integrations, there are alternatives that may suit your needs better. Buffer Analyze has its strengths, especially for users seeking simplicity. But if you're ready to explore a better option, check out our recommended solution. You can try it free and see if it fits your needs better.